The pre-roll experts are back with another option to up your joint and blunt offerings for your customers: wood filter tips. Wood filter tips help deliver a smoother smoke and offer a more premium look compared to traditional paper filters. With the help of Custom Cones USA, any pre-roll brand can incorporate them into their production process. Gina here, and today we'll be demonstrating just how you can get started offering wood tip pre-roll products in no time. To start, Custom Cones USA stocks several sizes of wood filter tips that you can order directly from our website. We have the flat mouth style wood tips in the sizes 8.5mm, 9.6mm, and 11mm diameter in stock and ready to ship straight to your door from our USA-based warehouse. These stock filter tips are made of all natural wood and help filter out any particles that might ruin a smoke session, whether you opt to pair them with the hemp wrap or any other type of rolling paper. Wood tips are sure to elevate your smoke sesh. We also offer wood filter tips already rolled into tubes so you can easily fill with your top shelf flower. We keep in stock our classic hemp wrap blunt tubes or hybrid hemp wrap version offered in both 1g and 2g options, complete with wood tips and a simple black and gold foil cigar band. Pre-rolled tubes make production more scalable and bring your labor costs down. And while you can of course hand fill and tamp these tubes with your product, these wood-tipped blunt tubes are also compatible with our King Kone filling machine, as long as you also have the tube conversion kit and the appropriate size tray for your tubes. Using pre-rolled tubes and a pre-roll machine makes it even easier to scale your pre-roll line and continue growing your business. The pre-roll experts have tested the conversion kit and the results are in. The King Kone pack tubes perfectly. Its strong up and down motor packs the tubes nicely and evenly from top to bottom, delivering a final product you'll be eager to show off. Once you're ready to offer something truly unique, you might consider customizing with your own custom cigar band. We can even create custom sizes of wood tips, as well as custom shapes, and engrave your logo into the wood. These bespoke wood filter tips will truly grab consumers' attention, whether you opt to roll them into your own hemp wrap blunts or even offer them alongside a pre-roll multi-pack as an additional smoking accessory, since these wood filter tips easily fit around a standard joint filter. This is an ideal way to get your company's image in front of your end customer for multiple sessions. If you're ready to see what's possible for your own custom wood filter tips, reach out to a pre-roll expert today for more information or to place your order. If you're looking for even more customization flexibility for premium filter tips, Custom Cones USA also offers glass tip options, which come in pre-rolled tubes and cones, as well as ceramic tip pre-roll cones. In addition to offering a cooled smoke, these glass and ceramic tips can be customized by color, shape, size, and can even be imprinted with your full color logo to create a truly striking smoking product. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on how you can continue to grow and adapt your pre-roll production process.